What's up, guys? I'm gonna do a really short video to talk about merch right quick. Some of you guys have been asking for it, and I've been mentioning it, and now it has taken so long that we've gotten to the point where some of you guys are like, you BSing or what? Like, where's the merch at? Alright, so I tried to use a local company that said they would do drop shipping. The reason I'm trying to go with drop shipping is I don't have some money stacked up to basically place an order of however many shirts, and then I really don't have a lot of time to fulfill my own orders. When you guys place orders, I have to pack a shirt and package it and then send it out. I don't really have the time to do that right now. So I was going to use a drop shipper. I have a local company that I've known for a long time that I was going to have do that for me. Basically, it just didn't work out. We didn't have the level of communication that I wanted. And basically it just wasn't a good fit for me to work with that company, just because this isn't the type of stuff that they're really into doing, which is perfectly fine. That's fine. So I went through Shopify and used Printify, because Printful is like out of stock of everything thanks to COVID. These guys were in stock on a lot of Bella canvas shirts, which are a nicer quality shirt. So I was like, all right, well, we're going to try that out. So here's my issues. I ordered this sample order. If y'all seen the fanny pack and the stickers, I ordered those, and those came in the same. I ordered on a Sunday night, and those came in that Friday. So, which for me is perfect for fulfillment, because think about that. If you guys placed an order on a Sunday night and it got to you by that next Friday, that's 5 business days. That's perfect. Well, I placed the order for those at the same time I ordered all this, and this just got here 3 weeks later. And I don't want that for you guys. I don't want y'all to have to wait 3 weeks to get shirts and hats in. For me, that's unacceptable. I'd be pissed if I had to wait that long, and I don't want you guys to do that. So, and then also there were some quality issues. I waited that long. One big thing with all this is when you put a logo on their product, they have like this little box, and you can't exceed that box. I made this as big as it could be in that little template box. I really would like this to be like from here to here, bigger. So that's one thing I didn't like. But I mean, they did okay. Like, that's about what I'd expect. I hate that it's a green bottom bill, but it's all they had. So I went for it just to see what it looked like in my hand. And now that I see it, I'm okay with the hat. I know I'm really picky. A lot of people aren't as picky as I am with like hats and like stitching and printing and all that. But I'm okay with that enough to let people decide if they want to order it or not. The shirts, on the other hand, I'm not happy with. These two are t-shirts. This is supposed to be like a soft pink color, which it kind of is. I'm colorblind enough not to barely be able to tell the difference between this being pink and this being white. But there's like, it's like when they printed it, it was really hot and this fuzz got on it and like went into the ink or whatever this is. So it has like this speckling in it. It's supposed to be just straight blue. This one did the exact same thing. And this one only didn't because it wasn't like, you can tell this, it's not screen printing, it's like direct to garment. You can tell they did this with like ink. It's like, see how it's like fuzzy? I don't like that. This was supposed to be a tank top. Let me get this laid out better. But yeah, I mean, this is the design, guys, so I guess here's your sneak peek on the design. If you wanted to see it, this is it. I did this logo, and actually they screwed up too, because my shirt wasn't supposed to have the OBS logo. It was supposed to just be the MattyXBuilds logo on it real big, so they screwed that up too. But there's this design, and then this one, it's on the back of it, and then on the front I put this logo, which I'm pretty stoked about seeing that in person. It looks cool. It's also really cool because like I made that. I designed that in Illustrator and made it myself and used Google and YouTube to learn how to use Illustrator enough to make those. So I'm pretty stoked about that because I created that and then sent it to somebody and made it. Now I have it like in my hand. Even though it's f***ed up, it is what it is. I'm going to contact them to at least see if they can fix these because I already paid for these because you have to pay for your samples. So I spent like $100-something on all the sample stuff that I got, and I'm not happy with the shirts. So I'm gonna contact them to fix that. But I'm not going this route. I'm basically just getting those replaced so they look good so that I can wear them. And I've already gotten in contact with a local company. I'm gonna go ahead and go that route. I don't want to do it because it's a little bit more money up front for me, but I want to put out a better product to you guys. And by doing this, I can't see it before it gets to you guys. So say you placed an order, this is what y'all got. This speckledy shit, this is what y'all get. And I don't have any control over that. I can't stop that and say, oh, okay, hey, this shirt's not good enough. You know, hey, fix it or comp it or whatever, and we'll put a different shirt in there. I can't do that. It's just going to go to you, and then y'all aren't going to like it because it looks like crap. And then you're going to try to return it and then have to deal with all that after waiting 3 weeks for it. That ain't going to work. That's not my style, guys. That's not what I want for y'all. So I found another local company that does drop shipping. They're kind of new. They have years of experience, but they finally just kind of put a shop together. They do drop shipping, they do embroidery, they do stickers, they do printing, and it's actual screen printing. So it's like stuff like this that's actually like nicer. I'm supposed to call them this weekend and we're going to talk about what I want, what they can do, and work out the money and all that, figure out how we're going to do it, how they're going to link it with my website, because I already made a website. I use Shopify, but I bought my domain. So like www.MattyXBuilds.com is mine. I own that. So I'm going to use it. I already paid for it and it's my name. So like I want to use that. I don't want to have some weird whatever Teespring /http://matty./xbuilds./ I can't do that shit. So this is just me kind of updating you guys on merch. What I was doing was waiting on the sample to come in and everything be perfect and me to turn the site on and let you guys have at it. But I can't do that now because it sucks. And I don't want you guys to have that. Well, I got that and I'm pissed. So I don't want that for you guys. Trust me, I'm doing what I can with the time I got. And I will be getting some merch out very soon. Like I said, we're calling that guy this weekend. So we'll work out a deal. And if it works out, then we're going to start moving forward. I'm going to do what I need to do to get him going and get some stuff on the website for you guys. So that's it for this one. Just try to get y'all caught up on the merch. If you will, the link is in the description. The link to all links is I made a link tree. You can click on that and go to anything that is me, TikTok, Instagram, my website. Go on there, go to MattyXBuilds.com, and right now it's closed. But you can put your email in, and if you guys want to do that, I'm in control of how those emails go out. And if you want to, you can go on there and you can subscribe. As soon as the site goes live, you'll get a notification. Also, that puts you guys in a group that I can look at people that have subscribed. So if you have subscribed to the website, I can give y'all a discount code. I can also give y'all like early access to the site. So I can send out an email to everybody that subscribed. Hey, for the next 24 hours, you guys are the only ones allowed on the site. Go in there, use this code, get however % off when I figure that out, and give you guys a little reward for being early. So that's it for this one. Peace out. See you guys later.